Okay, this is to use iCapture for the golf show or the little expo, iCapture.com. This helps us get information from customers on the kiosk. So what we need to do is first, I'm just going to copy last year's. So I click on this. It's the Golf Show Expo from last year. That's what I'm going to use. Hit create new questionnaire. It's going to be called 2020 but MLGC. I make one just in general and then one for Morrison Lake. So both courses are represented because they'll have a screen for each golf course. Start date, today's the 5th. We'll just make tomorrow. We're getting ready for the golf show, which is going to fall in here this year. So it's going to give us time to do it. Start from scratch or pick a questionnaire to copy. I'm going to copy this. So if we just have to copy it, it's really, really easy in that regard. So these are all set to go now. And here are the questions. We want the first and last name. We obviously need the email address. Zip code. I like that because we can tell generally where these people are from. If we get a zip code from like Traverse City, we don't need to be throwing emails or mailings to them. So I think zip code is important. Enter your mobile number. That's optional. I just put that optional just because some people might be scared to give that away, and I don't want to deter anybody. This is a big question. Are you in charge of an outing or fundraiser? Yes or no? So if they say yes, you can see these right here. This is called skip logic. So I have it set up so if they say yes, to me that's one of the most important things. So if they say yes, I'm going to just have them follow the questionnaire of what it takes to get their outing. How many people do you have in the golf outing typically? They'll answer it. Have you booked the outing for the upcoming season? I'll know if I can get them or not. So, as you can see, this means skip logic. And if they say yes, it follows this path here. Now, if they click no to this, the skip logic will take them down here. And it says, I would like more information about leagues, scrambles, tournaments, memberships, boom. Then, do you enjoy playing golf with your significant other? Yes or no? The reason that's important, I like that question because that helps me determine if they would be interested in playing in our couples scramble. And I can just mail them information on that and email them that. And we've seen great results with that. Great results with all of these. So what you see here are our 5 components. Outings. We'll know everyone who has an outing we can cater to. Are they interested in leagues, scrambles, tournaments, and memberships? All of those are our components that we want to slice and dice and market to. So that's important. It's all set to go here. And it's good to go. So that's how that works. And when you go to the iPad, you'll be asked to enter a new question, a new questionnaire. This is what you type in. The other questionnaire that's not for Morrison Lake or for Arrowhead will have a different install code. I think it should work itself out and you should be good to go. So there it is.